this is Marvel Studios. Today I'm going to do a review of iPad 4. Before we get started, I would like to request you to go and subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to watch more videos like this. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we'll move on to specifications. This iPad was released on November 2012 and this has a weight of 652 grams, and this has a 9.7 inches display with a resolution of 1536 by 2048 pixels. When it comes to the platform specifications, this iPad was first released with iOS 6 and by now it is upgradable up to iOS 10.3. Even though iOS 10.3 is the maximum update, this iPad works really well so far. There are some bugs and lags, but still this is totally user-friendly. This iPad has the Apple A6X chipset with a dual-core 1.4 GHz processor. The iPad 4 is available from 16GB, 32GB, 64GB and 128GB with a 1GB of RAM. Okay, let's move on to the camera. This has a 5 megapixels rear camera with a 1080p at 30 fps video quality. Okay, let's move on to the front camera. This has a 1.2 megapixels front camera, and that's my roof. So guys, if you have an interest on this iPad, I definitely recommend you to go for this and buy this, and it will be just like $200 to $300 and it's definitely worth it and it's really durable. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to watch more videos like this. Okay, let's meet up on my next video. Bye.